Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a lovely fluffy pancake recipe. You can make these pancakes from scratch for brunch, breakfast, or for nice evening snack. Serve hot with accompaniments of your choice like butter, honey, or maple syrup. These ingredients you should already have in your kitchen. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make fluffy pancakes. First, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. I've taken 3 tablespoons of plain flour, that is all purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix everything and set it aside. For this recipe, I've taken 2 eggs. Let's separate the egg yolks and the whites. In this measurement, you get 4 fluffy pancakes. Refrigerate the white eggs for a few minutes till we whisk the egg yolks. To the yolk, add quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it for 20 seconds, then add 2 tablespoons of milk and keep whisking for 20 more seconds. Add the dry ingredients, give a nice mix until everything well combined. Keep this aside till we whisk our egg whites. Now I am going to beat the chilled egg whites. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going to add at intervals, little at a time. Beat the egg whites till you get nice stiff peaks so they are nice and fluffy. A small tip, when making meringue, use a clean bowl free of oil to get a perfect dry peak. When you tilt the bowl upside down, it shouldn't fall. This is how it should be, nice and stiff. Now we have the egg yolk and the egg white mixture. Take a little bit of egg white mixture, add it to the egg yolk slowly and gradually. Add the yolk mixture to the egg whites and give a nice gentle mix. Do not mix too hard. You want to maintain that fluffiness. To a pan, add little oil, spread all over. Take a cloth or a tissue, wipe out the extra oil. Use a small ladle to add the pancake mixture onto the pan. Keep water in a small bowl for it to steam. Close the pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes on a low flame. After 2 minutes, open the pan, add a tablespoon of mixture on the pancake. Then cover the pan, cook for 2 more minutes. Now let's flip it to the other side and cook for 2 more minutes. These pancakes are incredibly soft, fluffy and delicious. They are best served right out of the pan when it's still nice and hot. I served it with some maple syrup, butter and also some fresh blueberries. Do try this recipe and enjoy, and share it with your family and friends. Also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.